Hello there, this is Sourav for you once again. I am back with another presentation. Can you guess what is my presentation? Yes, my presentation is a simulation. In this presentation I am gonna show you the simulation of previous three presentations. And the first one is flaming sensor, and the second one is light sensing sensor, and the third one is motion sensor. So let's get started. I have already written a Arduino program, so you already heard about the Arduino programming. So Arduino programming basically have two main parts. The first one is setup part, and the second one is loop part. So in setup part, I already declared A0 pin, A3 pin, and A3 pin as an input. Okay, and the 7 number pin and 4 number pin and the 2 number pin acts as output. I already declared it. So A0 pin receives the signal from flaming sensor, and A3 pin receives input signal from light sensor, and A5 pin receives input signal from motion sensor. So in loop part, this part is written for flaming sensor, and the second part you can see it, and the second part is written for the light sensor, and the third one is written for motion sensor. So in this program I compile it. Yes, it will take some few minutes. So I have to wait for the uploading completion. Yes, there is no error. So next I'll go in my hardware part. So you can see that here is my hardware part. Basically I already told you in this presentation I used three types of sensor. The first one is flaming sensor, and the second one is light sensor. You can see the LDR. So the third one is the motion sensor. So when my flaming sensor actives, then this buzzer will ring, and when my light sensor is active, then this load or as a extra light will be turned on, and when the motion sensor is active, then this LED light sends me. So I can check it. I connect the cable with my computer. Second, I compile it. Again compile it. Yes. So I check it. Yes, first I check it. Flaming sensor. When my flaming sensor detects light, so the buzzer is ringing. So first step is complete. So the second step, here is a light sensor. When light incidence on the LDR, then this LED does not on. So when I make shade on this LDR, so that light is on. So that is my second part. It is completed. And the third one is motion sensor. There is no human being on the motion sensor. That means the motion sensor does not operate this indicating light. So when I set my hand in this motion sensor, you can see the change. When my hand is in front of this motion sensor, and the light is on. That's all about my today's presentation. Next I'll come up with another presentation.